Nice product. Not available in market, cheaper than other same product quality wise. It would be better if 2 HDMI input for TV and CCTV. There is no sound facility in this monitor. The full HD IPS panel is simply amazing. No backlight bleeding, no dead spots. Build quality is top notch. Cannot comment on its suitability for gaming as I am not a gaming enthusiast. Totally recommended for home use. Color reproduction is awesome. I am not a fan of thin bezels, so I actually love the border along the panel. This is Dell. Need I say more? Just go for it. Really great product, excellent work, but one remarks VGA cable port very congested to fixing VGA cable. There is no proper place to fixing VGA cable, very difficult. Really, should we give space? Click link in description for more reviews.